going to solve the problem number 4 in chapter 8. Okay, so here when the power of the lamp is given, the power of the lamp is 150 watt and the wavelength of the light which is emitted from the lamp is 5500 Armstrong unit. The 5500 Armstrong unit must be converted into which one? SI system, that is 5500 into 10 to the power of minus 10 is already written there. The efficiency of the lamp is reduced to 12%. You are asked to calculate the number of photons which are emitted when the efficiency is reduced to 12%. First we will calculate the number of photons emitted per second when the efficiency is equal to 100%, and the efficiency of the lamp is 100%. By the time we have to calculate the total number of photons emitted per second. For that we have to use this formula, that is NP, number of photons emitted per second when the efficiency is 100%. For that this formula must be used, that is P means power of the lamp, into wavelength divided by H into C. H is Planck's constant, C is the speed of the electromagnetic wave, lambda is the wavelength of the light emitted. Substitute all the values now. 150 watt, okay, 150 watt, 5500 into 10 to the power of minus 10 whole divided by Planck's constant value is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Speed of the electromagnetic wave is 3 into 10 to the power of 8. After substitution, so clear, with the help of calculator we can calculate the answer. It becomes 4.150 into 10 to the power of 20 photons are emitted per second. So after simplification you will get the answer. So these are all the number of photons emitted from the lamp when the efficiency is 100%. But what is asked in the problem? Now the efficiency is reduced to 12%. Previously the efficiency is 100%. Now the efficiency is reduced to 12%. So what we have to do? Here this formula must be used. The total number of photons. So we can write like this. Total number of photons emitted per second when the efficiency is equal to 12%. For that you can use this formula. Eta is a symbol for efficiency into NP. NP is already calculated, number of photons emitted per second when the efficiency is 100% was already calculated. Now substitute the efficiency value 12%. 12% can be written as 12 divided by 100 into this value 4.150 into 10 to the power of 20. So after simplification, finally you will get the value as 4.98 into 10 to the power of 19, 10 to the power of 19 photons per second you will get. Are you clear? If it is not visible, I will write it here. 4.98 into 10 to the power of 19 photons per second. This many number of photons are emitted. The clear when the efficiency is reduced to 12%. Okay, so we can write it as N when the efficiency is 12%. Okay, so very simple problem may be asked in 3 mark. Okay.